Instagram Reels is taking over, and the organic reach that you get for using Reels is nothing short of incredible. The only thing preventing people from taking advantage is just not knowing what to post. So today we're going to be breaking down 8 content ideas that business owners can use to start posting on Instagram Reels today. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, we are High Season, a social media agency that helps business owners, entrepreneurs, and marketers step their social media game up and break the algorithm. Today we are talking about Instagram Reels. For anyone who watched our last video, which we'll put there for you in the description below, we broke down how to use Reels, and we also broke down how to make a Reel. And as promised, we said we would go into what type of content ideas you can use for your business, because that seems to be the largest hurdle, and that's also what we saw in the comments.
We did.
Below.
Number of people
Everyone's like, okay, this is great. Like, I want to use it, but how?
Yeah.
What do I do?
What do I do?
This is what we're here for, to help you with some content ideas so you can get out there and start using Reels today, because the organic reach you get for using Instagram Reels right now is amazing, and you definitely want to take advantage of this opportunity to reach. It's like 100, 300 times, 500 times. I can't even, the math is crazy.
I was going to give a quick example. Say on one account that we manage, about 200 views-ish on each in-feed video, maybe IGTV. For the Reels, 5,500.
There you go. So there's big opportunities for you, and we are going to get into some content idea tips so that you can start today. Let's get started.
The first content idea for Instagram Reels for your business is a before and after. So you may have seen on a lot of people's feeds, they do those kind of annoying old school, 2015-ish pick stitches with a before and after divided down the middle. They're super unattractive. They make the feed look terrible. So one way to get around that and still get the point across is to use Instagram Reels for that. So if you are, say, an interior designer, you could showcase the room before your work and then after your work. If you're a medical aesthetics company, you could have an individual before the procedure and then after the procedure. Anything that you do that there's some sort of a transformation, you could showcase that in a reel and then showcase some of your work in the middle so people see really what goes into it. But that before and after is super impressive, and if it's quick, it's cut nicely, there's some nice little captions, which once again we can show you up here how to do that. It can really be a fun way to showcase what you do.
The second content idea for your business on Instagram Reels is going to be product demonstration. So this actually follows what Craig was saying when we're talking about the before and after. Let's get into all that juicy in between of that as well, right? So product demonstrations are great, and it's so much fun when you can do it fast and like quick little snippets, and that's why Instagram Reels is great. It fits right into the attention span. So for example, if I was a jewelry designer or I owned a jewelry store and I wanted to show that the cleaner that we use to make your necklace look the best, what that looked like, what that process looked like, that would be a great opportunity to show that in 15 seconds or less. Or for example, if we were talking about, again, say medical aesthetics. So there is one thing to show the before and after, but what's even more interesting, and what I love about these ideas, is that it's only you that can do it, right? It's not going to be like the topic that's coming up next. Only you can do this. So you're just showing your expertise. So when it comes to, say, medical aesthetics, for example, obviously people can't do this work by themselves, but you can show why you're so good at what you do and show creating that pout on your lip, for example. Or we have a medical aesthetics client, so it just kind of comes in. That's why we're using it as an example. So by actually showing what that process looks like to get the perfect pout, for example, that would be a good way to use Instagram Reels and speed it up in a fun way. You can edit it in an interesting way that lets it all wrap up in 15 seconds. Next tip.
The third content idea for Instagram Reels for your business is to do a how-to or an educational video. So we actually did one recently that Tiff is going to pop up somewhere here, and we actually made it kind of a meta thing. We did an Instagram Reel on how to use Instagram Reels, or how to make an Instagram Reel specifically. So we actually utilized the software or the actual platform to showcase how to do it, and it was pretty handy. I felt like it was a good response as well. It actually was really quick. It kind of wasn't enough time because we chose, for us, we did the whole process.
Yeah, it was like 15 seconds.
So it was a little long for us. We kind of had to skip things or make it very fast. But the point got across. So other ideas, you could say, if you're a stylist, you could show how to style a shirt in 3 ways, and you could have 5 seconds for each shirt throughout that caption.
If you are a garden enthusiast like myself with my plants here, you could do how to propagate your plants.
Anything. If you have any sort of product or service that has or requires a how-to or educational segment, it's right there for you.
The next content idea for Instagram Reels for your business is going to be product reviews. Now, I'm calling all the like makeup artists and beauty people who follow us on here. This is a great opportunity for you to do really fun, interesting makeup looks in 15 seconds. Like, how much fun is that? Or your overall thoughts on a product in general. Wine reviews, for example, can be very interesting. So if people are looking to you for certain specific types of advice and you would have done a full blog post or thorough review on your Instagram feed, any of that stuff, this is a really great time for you to make it into an interesting bite-sized format that can go out and reach a larger audience. So definitely, if you're doing anything that was involved in product reviews, whether you're a blogger or a content creator, or if you're doing product reviews of your own product, this is the perfect opportunity to use that and either speed it up or do overlay, B-roll, any of that jazz, and put it into one nice, easy little bite-sized package.
Yes, and to add to that, if you wanted to add more information, you can just put that in the caption.
Exactly.
So if you would normally write a longer review, instead of just posting the image, post the reels, and you just pop that bad boy in the caption. Same concept, but much more engagement.
Yes.
The fifth content idea for Instagram Reels for your business is to tap into what is trending. You can use the original audio if you guys might have noticed that yet. So original audio just means if you don't use a song from the library, I guess it's sort of attached to everything like Spotify and Apple Music and such, you can actually use the camera and all the original audio that you place over the top, whether you do a voiceover or it's a comedy skit or anything. So things go viral on TikTok and now hopefully on Reels as it begins by people continuing to use the same original audio. So you can actually see what's trending, essentially what's coming up in your Explore page. You can tap that original audio and you can choose to use it. Now, this is a little more circumstantial. Does it apply to your business? Are
Not
you able
everyone's.
to be exactly? We've talked about it before. So depending on your business, if you're the type that can post a bunch of memes on your page, there's a possibility you could take an original audio that's already popular and then flip that to the genre or industry that you're in, which is a pretty cool way to use this. If you're going to get a bit creative, if you have the time and you have people around to do it, there could be some real fun stuff.
Challenges too, for example. Like there have been challenges that were like couples challenges, so that was also something that could be interesting. But also like introduce yourself, like in answering the questions. So using that audio and then flipping it back to your business, for example, would be really a smart way to hop onto like a challenge.
Yeah, there's always a bunch going on, so just keep an eye on what's popping. Go through your Explore page, keep an eye on it, keep scrolling through, and something will catch your eye, and you just got to think outside the box. How can I make this work for my business?
The next content idea for Instagram Reels for your business is going to be the tried and true behind the scenes content. People always love insight into your daily happenings of your business, and I love Instagram Reels because it's a really fun way to showcase that in 15 seconds or less.
Yes.
Like very, very interesting things that you can be doing with this. So whether the behind the scenes just means like the day in the life of an entrepreneur, for example, or it's behind the scenes of creating something. If you're a graphic designer or photographer, for a photographer that could be actually editing a photo all the way to the beginning and letting them see what that kind of looks like. Time lapses, because you can actually affect the speeds, make things in slow motion, make things in fast motion. It's a really fun way to showcase process. What's the process behind everything that you're doing? And this is different than when you look at like a product demonstration, which is like, here's the finished thing, let me show you how this applies. Behind the scenes is like, here's everything that gets us to the final thing that you see, right? So behind the scenes content is always fun. People love, looking in, peeking behind the curtain. So Instagram Reels is a great opportunity to create that type of content. And because you can just stitch it all together so easily, add your own music to it, it's definitely a must do.
The next content idea for Instagram Reels for your business is to do teasers, product launches, anything that's about to come up. Give a bit of a tease. I read a great example. Amazon Prime had a new comedy special from a comedian. I forgot his name, but I recognize his face. And what they did was just put a 10-second teaser. And they got over 1 million views on that. I mean, it's Amazon Prime. but still,
Still.
it still has to go viral. So
That wasn't ads, so there
Yeah.
you go. Like, that would just be them because you can't put ads on Reels yet. So
That's
that
it.
just shows you that organic reach.
Yep, because they must have picked the perfect 10-second snippet from, which is literally a one-liner,
Yeah.
which is kind of hard to do.
Yeah.
Like, pick the punchline, and it worked. If you are an artist, like a musician, you could put a 15-second snippet of a music video. Anything like that that's coming, whatever it might be, maybe a little, I don't know if it's actual physical product, and start to pull the curtain back slowly, but only get to see part of it. Something like that that gives people an idea of what's coming, but don't give away too much,
Yeah.
just to let them be like, ooh,
I
pique
like
their
that,
interest,
like
you know?
like just as part of your shirt
Yeah,
or something
exactly.
like that. If you're
Your shirt,
releasing a
you
new
pull-
brand or
Yeah.
shoes, and you only
Or
put a piece
silhouette,
of the shoes,
and then start to change
You're
the-
doing jewelry, and you only did like a little piece of something, or like the carving of the
Yeah.
actual jewelry, like something like that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Get creative with it, but some sort of a teaser, I think it's a more interesting way than just doing it in an image. And it's definitely got more of a chance to get a much, much higher reach.
The next Instagram Reels content idea for your business is compilations.
Yeah.
Compilations are really, really fun, and I immediately think, to explain compilations first,
Yes.
that's taking a bunch of pieces of everything and putting them into one short or one specific frame. So it's
Yeah.
a bunch of different events or stills or video footage that gets put into one reel,
Yeah.
basically. So if you're thinking about compilations, what comes to mind, say for example, if you're in travel, this would be a great way to showcase
Yeah.
your trip. So if you're a travel blogger, or if you're in the travel and tourism industry, anything like that, I know that I'll be making it for the previous trips that
was
we've
about
had
to
in the
bring it
past.
up,
We're
yeah.
definitely going to be doing that, and just taking snippets of, say, like when we went to the cafe, when we went to go look at this monument, when we went to go have dinner, and adding them all with music, and then making it a travel compilation that sits in the feed and
Yeah.
lets people relive that travel experience
1 second
again.
snippets or fraction of a second snippets, and
Exactly.
you can just import them from the camera roll.
Yeah, and I love that you can be using previous content. That's what's so great about Instagram Reels.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be native, so always keep that in mind. Another thing that I'm probably going to test out too is creating 15-second vlogs.
Yeah.
So, guys, hey, anyone else
started.
there? Well, yeah, I did one.
Did one.
I did one. You'll see it here. I maybe
It was
I'll put a
good.
snippet here. But that was just like a little snippet. But I might do like a full day vlog in 15 seconds. So what a day looked like in 15 seconds.
We're about to travel. We could do it.
And we're about to travel, so we'll probably do that. So I think there's really fun, interesting ways to use compilations, and then it gives people a full overview of an extended period in 15 seconds. Again, bite size,
Very cool.
for the short attention spans that we
It's
all have.
perfect
So
for
it's
you.
perfect. Thanks.
I mean, in the best way possible.
Yeah.
The next content idea for Instagram Reels for your business is repurposing content. Now, we've talked about this, I would say, at length in multiple
Love it.
videos. It's so important. Now, for Instagram Reels, it brings in a whole nother opportunity for you here. There is so many things you can do with this. So, for example, even for high season, so if we take some of our videos on how to do certain things, we have a instructional video, we could take that and just trim that down to 15 seconds, or maybe trim one portion. Even this video, we could take one part and trim it down to 15 seconds, and it's one part and it promotes the full video. Coming back to what you were saying before, our travel vlogs, we've got these vlogs for our beer podcast, for example, and we could trim that down to 15 seconds. So instead of making a trailer, which Tip would usually cut a 30 seconds to 2-minute trailer, depending on what it is, now we can just make a 15-second reel, because it's going to get more engagement, it's quicker, and it still summarizes the video, and everyone's going to watch it, rather than, is everyone going to sit down for 2 minutes? Before, they would, and now I don't know if they will.
Yeah.
So anyway, if you're a wedding photographer, for example, and a part of that is making the video, you could get that video, trim it down to 15 seconds. That could be something that you offer your clients even.
Yeah.
People might want those
Super
15
highlight
seconds.
reel, like a
Super
crazy
reel.
highlight reel.
But you could cut them up a 2-minute video into multiple 15-second reels that the couple could share over time, and they'll love that. I bet that would be worth a lot of money too, because it's quite a lot of work with the super high res footage to chop up.
Yeah.
And then they can add all their text and whatever they
Yeah.
want to put in there. So repurposing, think about any other content you're making and how you could apply it to reels. Doesn't matter what it is, it can always fit it.
Alright guys, that is it for today. We just gave you 8 content ideas for your business to use on Instagram Reels. Don't say that you can't make a reel this week, okay?
Yes.
Do it. Let us know if any of these ideas inspired you. Let us know in the comments below, and definitely please execute on one of these things, because I think this can go across all businesses, and we want to hear what type of reach, what are the metrics you're seeing when you're posting these reels. Definitely capitalize on this opportunity, because you don't know how long this organic reach will last. So, if you like this video, sorry guys, thank you for watching.
Yes.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from us. You can follow us everywhere on social media at High Season Co. And you can check out our blog post at highseasonco.com for a ton of free written resources. We will see you in the next video, guys.
Peace.